What's going on, everybody? In this video, we're talking all about how to convert more leads. Let's get into it. Hey everybody, my name is Uppy, and I run a wedding photo and video company called Meadow Lane Visuals, based out of the beautiful Gold Coast, Australia. And on this channel, we talk all about tips and tricks that can help you create a six-figure wedding photo or video company and help you create a life you desire. So if that sounds interesting, it would be greatly appreciated if you guys could leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That way we can help more fellow creatives achieve their dreams as well. Now in this video, like I mentioned before, I want to be talking all about a few ways that can help you convert more leads. And these tips and tricks help my business greatly, and hopefully they can do the same for you as well. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So number one, make your responses personal. The thing is, potential clients don't want to feel like just another job to you. They want to know that you have their best interest in treating their wedding day like it is the best wedding you will ever attend. Because the thing is, this is brand new to them, and this is most likely their first time. And even though as photographers, we've probably been to countless weddings at this point, each client wants to feel special. So when replying to an inquiry, look for ways to make it personal. Did they mention something about the venue, something about their love story, or maybe a tradition they might be having? So most of the time, because I have been doing this for a little while, the venue that they mention, most likely I've shot there before. So bring this up to them saying that I've shot there before and that I know all of the best locations with the best lighting and that venue just produces the most amazing images. It makes them feel good about their choice. Now, it doesn't have to be anything crazy. But by pointing out something specific about their inquiry and getting all excited about them makes them feel taken care of and makes their needs feel acknowledged. So whatever it may be, like I said, try to point something out and sound excited about it. Number two, calm the storm. Planning a wedding can often be an overwhelming thing. This is most likely the couple's first time, so they don't really know what to expect or what kind of questions to even ask. But if you can answer all of their potential questions in one email, it will just make them so much more comfortable with you. It will make you look more like a professional who knows exactly what they're doing. And in turn, this will make the couple more likely to go ahead with you. For example, I recently received an inquiry from a beautiful couple who shared a few of their concerns, asking how the editing will affect their darker skin. They mentioned that when searching for a photographer in the area, they often found that other photographers who had a cooler editing style often made darker skin look a bit off. Addressing this concern they had, I simply answered by saying that I've had a lot of experience shooting all kinds of beautiful couples, coming from different kinds of cultural backgrounds and ethnicities, and that I take the time to carefully edit each of the images so that every couple can look at their gallery and recognize their authentic, beautiful self. Now that is just one example, but whatever the concern may be, probably take the time and think to yourself, what is the best way to overcome this issue? Put yourself in the potential client's shoes and ask yourself, what kind of response would I want to hear if I had the same concern? And just go from there. Number three, schedule a call. I believe to set yourself apart and show off your amazing personality, you have to either schedule a call or meet them in person. Wedding days can be long, and most of the time we spend about 90% of the day with the couple. So it is really important to me that my couples feel like a best friend, that they're able to be comfortable, be vulnerable, let their guard down, and just enjoy the time that they spend with me. If they can feel comfortable and be their true selves, not only will it make their day so much better, but it will make the images so much better as well. You can only show so much of your personality through email. So the best way for them to see if you're the right choice and you vibe with them is to meet with them in person. Now, this may seem like a scary, daunting thing, and don't worry, every now and then I still get a little bit nervous as well. But here are a few things that can make your client meetings more smooth. The first thing is people love to talk about themselves, and it keeps the conversation engaged. I always ask them if it's okay for them to share their love story, their awkward first dates, any cheesy pickup lines, how it was meeting the parents, whatever it may be. This is a great way to break the ice, and it allows them to kind of relive those memories and have a laugh and just let their guard down. So any interesting points in their story, use that to kind of keep the conversation flowing and keep that energy up. Just try to remember to be your awesome, genuine self. and try to think of it like you're catching up for a coffee with some friends. So to recap, number 1, make your responses personal. Point out any interesting parts in their inquiry and make sure you sound excited about it when responding. Number 2, calm the storm. Remember, planning a wedding is an overwhelming thing, and it can come with so many different concerns and questions as well. So put yourself in the potential client's shoes and ask yourself, what is a response I would like to hear if I had these concerns? And just go from there. And number 3, schedule a call or meet with them in person. Remember, you can't show off your awesome personality just through emails. So schedule a time to catch up with them for a coffee. Ask about their love story, laugh with them, be genuine, and feel like you're hanging out with good friends. This will make them more likely to want you to be a part of their wedding day. A quote that often sticks with me is, people buy from who they know, like, and trust. So by doing each of these things, you'll quickly become the wedding photographer that everybody wants. And why wouldn't they? Because you're awesome and your work is amazing too. If you enjoyed any part of this video or found any of these tips helpful, it would greatly, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart, greatly be appreciated if you guys could leave it a like and subscribe to my channel. Like I mentioned, on here we talk all about marketing tips, business strategies, and ways to help you create a 6-figure wedding photography business that you are proud of. Check out the description for more useful resources, and thank you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one.